In this video, I'm showing you how to make Snapchat stickers from your camera. So from the Snapchat app, press the photos icon next to the main page, and then find an image that you want to crop. So once you have your image, you want to press this icon here, the down arrow, and that will reveal all the tools that you can use. So you want to go to the scissor tool, and then do an outline. It doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah, that is your sticker created. You can delete the photo. So yeah, once you have done the sticker, you can go onto the icon above the scissors and go on the scissor tool again, and you will see your image. So you can drag that onto any image that you want. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.